All right, check out my new light assemblies. 2001 Echo. Purchased the vehicle October 31st, 21. 800 bucks. Got a smoking deal. Clutch was slipping big time, so we put a new clutch disc in. That was a bitch. I'm running 17s up front, all around. Let's go ahead and check out the lights. So bright they are. Yeah, baby. It was the replacement for this was kind of a biatch. I mean, the video is online. It really doesn't really tell you how to do it. Between 1 and 10, I'd say maybe an 8. You got a drop. There's a bolt here. Lower this down. There's a bolt on the side right here. Take that out. It's 10 millimeter. Then on top, and of course, there's two 10 mils on the inside the engine compartment. And then you got to snap. You got to pull on it really hard and snap the headlight out assembly. And basically you do the same thing. Push it back in, make sure it all lines up, and then plug and play. So, I mean, it wasn't really that bad. The first one was a bitch. The second one went smoothly. Hope this video helps the next person, because the video's on there before. I didn't explain much. All right, auto out.